If you've been waiting for AI to be worth it, then this is the moment. As an AI engineer, I see the same fundamental problems repeating with all of my clients, whether that's a large enterprise or a smaller business. And the commonality is that all of the businesses are struggling with operational drag, doing tasks that are tedious and need to be done, but don't actually move the needle in the business. Just as an example, think about planning payroll, chasing invoices, preparing sales briefs, and even operational tasks like preparing client deliverables or onboarding new clients. Now, in the past, what I've been doing is working with Claude because it's so good at creating connectors for all the systems you use. Think about like Gmail, QuickBooks, Calendar, HubSpot, all of these different systems, connecting them to Claude, and then creating bespoke skills that do these workflows for all these niche tasks by connecting to the different systems and running the workflows. But now things are easier than ever, and you can use Claude out of the box to do these tasks for you. And that's because Anthropic just dropped 31 skills and 12 different connectors in a new plugin that's called Claude for Small Business. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what this plugin is, how to set it up, and how you can actually use it for your business to get those advantages. This video is going to be broken into 3 different chapters to get you fully set up and using this plugin. But before we jump into these, let's talk about what Claude for Small Business really is. So the core thing to understand is that this is a plugin, and a plugin within Claude and AI, and specifically within Claude, basically is just a wrapper around a few different things. So some examples of them are skills, connectors, commands, and agents. And a plugin just bundle these all together so that they can work with each other well. And then all you have to do is just plug into it, and now you can use all of the things that it provides. Now, the 2 specific plugin components that this Claude for Small Businesses plugin is leveraging are the skills and the connectors. If you haven't heard of skills, this is basically just a file. It is a file that has a name that you're going to call the skill and a description of what the skill actually does so that AI knows when to call it. And think about skills, basically the equivalent of an SOP or a single workflow to complete a single task. So maybe that's how to respond to a specific type of message. Maybe it is connecting to a certain system and listing out what's available. Or, in terms of things more technical, it could be how to write a specific chunk of code. Now, on the other hand, connectors are using under the hood what's called Model Context Protocol, which is a standardized language that AI uses to talk to different outside systems. So before this MCP, each AI had to make very unique calls to each provider outside, like Slack or Google Drive. But after this, now there's a unified protocol that the AI can talk to that understands how all of these unique systems work so the AI can just talk to that and not have to worry about all the unique calls. How this relates to this situation is that the Claude plugin for small business has all of these connectors already set up using MCP so that the AI knows how to talk to them out of the box. Now, this page right here is super valuable for using this. I recommend you go check it out and follow along. It's claude.com/solution/small business, and basically explains exactly what's involved with this plugin. Just so you understand a little bit more about how this looks in practice, here's 4 different use cases that are on this website. So here, this one is actually planning out payroll by looking at QuickBooks and PayPal. And you can see those connectors right here. And it created this spreadsheet here that goes over the accounts, the balance, with the dates and some notes about it. And that's just cash position. And there's 2 other tabs here as well with more information. If you go to this month end close one, you can see it connected to QuickBooks, PayPal, Google Drive, and it created this entire report going over profit and loss narratives and reconciliation. So this one was for March 2026, and here's a summary, profit and loss, some flagged items, notes, all the super useful information that you'd have to be going through these systems yourself to dig up. Morning briefs is a nice one to get every single Monday morning, so the beginning of the week, that will go over exactly what's been going on in your QuickBooks, in your calendar, in your Slack, and just give you that information as a Slack message. And lastly, we have this example of growth here, which is trying to understand based on your previous revenue, what's a promo that you can do to address that. And this is connecting to Canva here, so I was able to create this really cool design, set up this entire email, and give you the copy as well. And the steps are pretty simple to set it up. I'll just go through them very quickly here, but it's going to be connecting your tools to all those different systems, installing the plugin, choosing what task you want to actually run, and then running the processes and seeing them completed step by step. So we'll go through all of this together. So chapter 1 is going to be installing the plugin. Now let's go ahead and do that. So first you're going to hop over into Claude, and the most important thing off the bat to know is that you need to be using Claude Cowork over here. And that's because you can only use plugins in Claude Cowork. You can use skills in the normal chat, but to be able to install and use these pre-built plugins, it needs to be in Cowork. So head over to Cowork, and then you'll see this plus sign here. Click that, and you'll see plugins here. Go to Manage Plugins. And that should bring you to this page here. Now you'll see a bunch of plugins here if you have any existing ones. If not, then click this plus sign and browse plugins. And this is what's called a marketplace, and Anthropic has their own marketplaces, and that's just a collection of plugins that you can use. So within here, they have one now that's called Small Business. Click on that, and this shows exactly the entire list of skills, and we'll dive into this a little bit later. And these are all the different workflows that you can be running with this plugin, as well as the different connectors that you're going to need to set up if you want to use them. So once you're here, click install, and it really is that easy to get set up with it. So we should be able to do manage over here, and that'll bring us to the customize section on this specific plugin. Just make sure this is toggled on so that you can actually use everything that's involved with it. That brings us to chapter 2, which is actually connecting all your systems to Claude. Now that the plugin is set up, we want to actually set up the connectors. So just above that, you'll see connectors. Click on that. And in here, you're going to want to set up all of the different ones that are used by that plugin. For the sake of this example, I'm going to set up a few example ones, a few simple ones, probably Gmail, Calendar, Drive, DocuSign maybe, Slack, maybe Stripe or Canva. We'll see. Let me go ahead and show you how to set these up. So in the connectors, once you have an idea of the ones that you want to set up, you can see I already have a few of them here, those Google Suite ones that I was mentioning. But what you have to do is click this plus sign here and browse connectors. And this will bring up the entire list of all the different connectors. And then you can just search for the one that you want. I see Slack is already here, but if I just type in Slack, there it is, and just click connect. That'll open it up in the browser and start the whole authentication process. So I will allow that. Open back up in Claude, and you should see a successful connection to the tool that you used. I'm going to connect DocuSign as one more example here. Let's go to DocuSign. Click on that and do connect. It'll open it up. Put in my password. And just allow the access. And it'll go back to Claude yet again and finish that connection. So once you do that for all the different systems that you're using, we're going to now go to chapter 3, which is running these skills. So there's 2 different ways that we can actually run these skills now. The first way is just doing slash, and you'll see all the different skills that you have installed. But if we do slash, let's say Monday brief, you can see here, it's exactly the one that we just set up with the description here. So we could just go like this and run it or provide some more details. The other cool thing is that you can run these skills just by describing a task that you want to do in the chat. And that's because of the description that's set up that Claude knows when to call each of the skills. So for example, let's go ahead and say, help me set up a weekly Monday morning brief that explains all the messages that I've gotten in Slack, the emails I've gotten in Gmail, any new documents in Google Drive, new events in Google Calendar, or even new documents from DocuSign or payments in Stripe. Cool. So that should, if we run that, trigger off the new Monday brief skill that we set up through the plugin. So we can see real time here that it's loading the tools and the skill. It's talking about Slack, Gmail, all the different ones that we mentioned. and it's just checking right now that the connections are set up. It's also cool in the top right here, you can see the progress of exactly what's going on. So it's just on step 1 right now, which is pulling the Slack messages. And over here, the context, right? It says the connector that it's using and the skills that it's referencing. It just finished, and you can see all the information that it was able to pull. So this one is cash. It's talking about from QuickBooks and Stripe what the balances are. I removed all the sensitive information. Sales that have been made. I don't have HubSpot connected, but it would show the moves within your sales or your CRM pipelines. Any new files that were recently changed. Planning the week ahead. I guess I don't have Google Calendar skipped, but you'd be able to see that here. If there's any Slack messages, new envelopes that were signed in DocuSign. And it's pretty cool. It goes down to the 3 things that I need to do today. And what you could do within Cowork, which is pretty neat, is say, turn this into a weekly scheduled task for Monday. And that should use the scheduled task feature that is available within Cowork. All right, so that's just finished. And if we go up here to the settings and go to scheduled, we can see the Monday brief here now running every Monday at 8 a.m. All right, let's try out one more. I want to see what this growth one actually looks like. So I'm going to copy this. We have to make a couple changes based on the systems that I use. And I recommend you're probably going to have to do the same thing because you might not be using every single system that's being referenced in the examples. So I just set up Canva and connected it, same system that, or the same method that we used beforehand to connect. I haven't even used Canva before, so we'll see what actually happens here. But I'm not using HubSpot, so we're going to remove that segment. And then for revenue month from last year, I'm going to say in Stripe because I'm using Stripe. And I'll say from the last year. And let's see what actually happens. I'll explicitly say to use the run campaign skill so that it knows that's the right one it should run, but it can also pick it up on its own and determine which skill to use. All right, so it just finished and it actually went through the steps here, which is pretty cool. It went through my systems and asked me some clarifying questions wherever it was needed. I'll show you like around here. They asked me questions. They brought up some example email sequences and then ended up deciding that this will be an email only campaign without Canva. And it gave me an actual sequence for sending the emails and like a schedule. So it gave me some copy here. Pretty cool. So now you can get a whole email campaign based on your offer and based on what months we're struggling and how you can improve upon that with the new outbound strategy. In my opinion, it's cool that it's just able to connect to these different systems and actually back up the decisions that are made and what it's doing with real data. Also, I want to show you real quick on the Claude website here. There is a full list of all the skills within that plugin in all the different sections. So there's money and finance, sales and marketing, business intelligence, hiring and setup. Oh, customers and operations also. So it shows all the different skills, exactly what they do and what connectors they go to. So this will give you a little bit more color on exactly how to use it. Now there's also this other one here, which is more of tutorial based setups. And it shows you for multiple different types of workflows, exactly the kind of prompt that you can use. So this one's getting a pulse on your business. You can open it directly in Cowork, or you can copy the prompt and use it, and it'll show you step by step how to use it and run the skill. And it does that for multiple different ones. This is actually the run campaign one that we just did. Here's another one for closing the month out. And there's a whole bunch of different use cases you can see to the right here. Now you should be able to go ahead and use this new plugin directly for your business and set it up super easy, just a few clicks to start seeing the benefits. If you're interested in learning more about how you can use AI to improve business, then go ahead, check out some of my other videos linked here, or you can follow my newsletter in the description.